If you've ever dreamed of having a farm full of fresh veggies in no time, or maybe you're just looking to dip your toes into the world of farming, then today's video is for you. We're diving into 10 fast-growing crops for beginners, the perfect plants that'll make you feel like a farming pro in just a few weeks. First up, radishes. These speedy little guys are the kings of quick gardening. You can harvest them in as little as 3 weeks. Yep, just 21 days to your very first crop. Radishes are perfect for beginners because they don't require much attention. Just a bit of water, some sunlight, and they'll do the rest. They're also great for planting alongside other crops to help fill up space while you wait for your other veggies to grow. And the best part? You can plant a new batch every few weeks for a continuous harvest. Radishes are a popular item at local farmers markets because they're often a unique, fresh addition to a customer's vegetable purchases. You can sell them in bunches or even offer pre-sliced packs for convenience. Lettuce. Who doesn't love a crisp, fresh salad? Lettuce is a fast-growing crop that can be harvested in as little as 4 weeks. The great thing about lettuce is that it keeps on giving. You can harvest the outer leaves and leave the plant to grow new ones. It's perfect for small spaces because you can grow it in containers or raised beds, and it thrives in cooler temperatures, making it ideal for spring or fall. Consider starting a local farm-to-door delivery service where customers can sign up for weekly deliveries of fresh lettuce and other greens. This helps build a loyal customer base. Spinach, the superhero of greens. If you're looking to add some nutritious leaves to your meals, spinach is perfect. This speedy crop grows in just 4 to 6 weeks and loves cooler weather. Plus, it's super versatile. You can enjoy it in salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. The best part? Spinach can even thrive in partial shade, so don't worry if you don't have that full sun plot. Package your spinach in eco-friendly, attractive containers that highlight its freshness. Let's talk about green beans, an absolute must for any beginner farmer. These guys are quick and productive. You'll be harvesting in about 6 weeks, and once they start, they'll keep coming. Whether you plant them on a trellis or in containers, they're perfect for small spaces. Green beans are also great for maximizing vertical space. If you have an excess supply, you can freeze or can your green beans to sell throughout the year, especially in the winter when fresh produce is scarce. Cucumbers. Refreshing, hydrating, and oh so delicious. These guys grow fast. You can be harvesting in just 6 weeks. Cucumbers love the sun, so make sure to plant them somewhere that gets plenty of light. If space is tight, don't worry. You can grow cucumbers in containers or on a trellis too. And nothing beats a cool, crisp cucumber straight from the farm, especially on a hot summer day. Consider turning some of your cucumbers into pickles. They have a long shelf life and can be marketed as an artisanal product. Sell them at farmers markets or online through a website. Zucchini, one of the most versatile veggies out there. You'll be harvesting in about 6 to 8 weeks, and let me tell you, once it starts growing, it doesn't stop. Zucchini is so easy to grow and so productive. Whether you want to grill, sauté, or bake it into bread, this veggie is a farm workhorse. Zucchini bread is a popular homemade product, so you could use your zucchinis to create baked goods. Approach local bakeries or sell them at the market. Zucchini is a staple at most grocery stores, and you can sell them in bulk to local grocery chains or co-ops. Peas are up next. Sweet, tender, and perfect for cool weather. You'll be picking your peas in just 6 to 8 weeks. Plant them early in the spring or late in the fall, and they'll keep producing pods for weeks. Watching those tiny pea pods appear on the vines is so satisfying. You can enjoy them fresh, or toss them in stir-fries, pasta, or salads. Peas are often sold in small quantities, making them a great product for farmers' markets or subscription boxes. If you have a large harvest, freezing peas for sale year-round is an excellent way to increase shelf life and profit. Carrots. These crunchy delights may take just a little more patience, but they're still one of the quicker crops on this list. You can harvest baby carrots in about 6 to 8 weeks and full-grown carrots in 10 to 12 weeks. The real fun comes when you pull them up from the soil and see those vibrant orange roots. Carrots are a year-round item at farmers' markets. You can sell them as whole carrots or offer pre-cut baby carrots for convenience. Herbs. Don't forget about them. Basil, cilantro and parsley are all fast growers. Herbs are a fantastic business opportunity because they require very little space and can be grown year-round, either in the ground or in containers. They're a high-demand product in both local markets and for restaurants, and they grow quickly. Most herbs are ready for harvest in 3 to 4 weeks. Partner with companies that offer subscription boxes or meal kits. Fresh herbs are essential for many recipes, making them an excellent addition to pre-packed meal kits. And last but definitely not least, Radicchio. Radicchio is a niche product that can help you stand out at farmers' markets, as it has a unique flavour and colour that appeals to gourmet customers. With a harvest time of about 6 weeks, it's perfect for filling gaps in the growing season and offering something different to consumers. Many high-end restaurants use Radicchio in salads, garnishes and specialty dishes. Offer it to chefs who want to create beautiful, flavourful meals. There you have it, folks. 10 fast-growing crops for beginners that'll have you harvesting in no time. Whether you're working with a tiny space just getting started, or you want to fill up your farm fast, these crops are here to make your farming journey fun, rewarding, and full of delicious results. So, what are you going to plant first? Let me know in the comments below. We love hearing about your farming adventures.